What we have here today is a F150 2001 model. It has the 4.6 V8 in it. It has a check engine code of a P0135, a P1131, a P1151, and that relates to the oxygen sensor bank 1, which would be on the passenger side. It's located in the wheel well. We'll take the wheel off to access that, give us a little more room. I did apply the parking brake and block the wheels in the back, and we'll go ahead and jack up the car, place it on jack stands, and remove the tire. Now with the tire removed, you can get a better glimpse at the oxygen sensor. This is bank 1, that's on the passenger side. It is very tight up against the firewall there, so we'll have to break the exhaust at that at that point right there, and it'll drop down. We'll have enough room. I sprayed it down with some penetrating oil, and we'll rock it back and forth once it's down to get it to free up. Okay, what I did is it's the old oxygen sensor. I actually cut the top off and then put a 7/8 socket over it, and I was working it back and forth trying to get it out, but unfortunately it was so stuck in there. I didn't use any heat on it, which I probably should have, and it took the threads out here. So I ran a thread chaser down, and it's the same as a spark plug one, so it's a 18mm, and it's a little bit less expensive than the one that you would buy directly made for the oxygen sensor. I got the new oxygen sensor in. It just screws in. I just used a wrench to snug it up there, an open-end wrench. They do make a special socket that has a slot in the side to accommodate the wire. I will go ahead and plug in the wiring harness, which is here, and I'll go ahead and bolt the exhaust back together. So we ended up having to strip the threads out, so we're running a thread chaser down there, and I'll show you the size on that.